Garlic, a humble yet powerful ingredient, has been revered for its medicinal properties since ancient times. Modern science has now confirmed many of these beneficial effects, making garlic a true superfood. In this video, we will explore 10 incredible health benefits of garlic that will make you want to include it in your daily diet. Do watch till the end, as I am sure there will be a health benefit of garlic that interests you. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Lowers blood pressure. Did you know that garlic can be as effective as some blood pressure medications? Studies have shown that the active compounds in garlic can significantly reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension. In fact, aged garlic extract at doses ranging from 600 to 1,500 milligrams was found to be as beneficial as the medicine atenolol during a 24-week period. The main component responsible for this action is allicin, which gives garlic its unique odor. To gain these benefits, ingest approximately 4 cloves of garlic every day. Isn't it amazing how nature provides us with such powerful remedies? Number 2. Boosts immune system and fights common cold. Are you tired of constantly catching colds? Garlic might be the answer you've been looking for. Garlic supplementation has been shown to boost the function of the immune system, making it a potent weapon against sickness. In a big 12-week research, a daily garlic peel reduced the number of colds by an astonishing 63% when compared to placebo. Furthermore, the average duration of cold symptoms was decreased by 70% from 5 days in the placebo group to only 1.5 days in the garlic group. Another study found that taking a high dose of garlic extract, 2.56 grams per day, can cut the number of days spent sick with a cold or flu by 61%. How would your life change if you could drastically reduce the frequency and duration of your colds? Number 3. Improves cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, but garlic might be able to help. Studies have shown that garlic can lower total and LDL bad cholesterol by about 10 to 15% in those with high cholesterol levels. Additionally, garlic appears to reliably increase HDL good cholesterol. By improving your cholesterol profile, garlic can contribute to a healthier heart and reduce risk of cardiovascular diseases. Wouldn't it be great to have a natural ally in your fight against high cholesterol? Number 4. Contains antioxidants that may prevent Alzheimer's and dementia. As we age, oxidative damage from free radicals can take a toll on our brain health. Garlic includes potent antioxidants that help the body's defenses against oxidative damage. High doses of garlic supplements have been proven to boost antioxidant enzymes in humans and considerably lower oxidative stress in patients with high blood pressure. Garlic, with its cholesterol-lowering and antioxidant characteristics, may help prevent brain illnesses such as Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. Wouldn't you want to give your brain the best possible protection as you age? Number 5. Helps detoxify heavy metals. Heavy metals can be harmful to our health, but garlic may provide some protection. At high quantities, garlic sulfur compounds can help prevent organ damage caused by heavy metal toxicity. In a 4-week research, employees at a car battery facility with significant lead exposure discovered that garlic lowered blood lead levels by 19% and improved several clinical indications of toxicity, such as headaches and high blood pressure. Surprisingly, 3 doses of garlic per day surpassed the medication dipenicillamine in symptom relief. Who knew that such a common ingredient could have such powerful detoxifying properties? Number 6. May improve bone health. As we age, maintaining strong and healthy bones becomes increasingly important. Garlic may be able to help in this regard. Some studies suggest that garlic can minimize bone loss by increasing estrogen levels in females, which is essential for bone health post-menopause. Additionally, garlic has been shown to have beneficial effects on osteoarthritis, reducing pain and improving joint function. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you might be giving your bones the support they need to stay strong and healthy. Wouldn't it be wonderful to maintain your mobility and independence well into your golden years? Number 7. May have anti-cancer properties. Cancer is a devastating disease that affects millions of people worldwide. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that garlic may have anti-cancer properties. The active compounds in garlic, such as allicin and dilyl disulfide, have been shown to have anti-tumor effects in laboratory studies. These compounds may help prevent the formation and spread of cancer cells. While garlic should not be considered a standalone treatment for cancer, incorporating it into a healthy diet might offer some additional protection. Wouldn't you want to give your body every possible advantage in the fight against cancer? Number 8, may improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Diabetes is a growing health concern, but garlic may be able to help manage blood sugar levels. Some studies have found that garlic can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. By helping to regulate blood sugar, garlic may be a useful tool in managing diabetes and preventing its complications. If you or someone you know has diabetes, wouldn't it be great to have a natural way to support blood sugar control? Number 9, longevity. Garlic has long been touted as a superfood with numerous health benefits, and one of them is its ability to help us live longer. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. As mentioned earlier, garlic is rich in compounds that can help regulate blood pressure, improve cholesterol profile, and reduce inflammation in the body. These cardiovascular benefits from garlic consumption can contribute to a healthier heart and an extended lifespan. Additionally, garlic has been shown to have potent antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, which can help boost the immune system and protect against various diseases. Number 10, performance. In addition to its longevity-boosting properties, garlic has also been found to improve athletic performance. Garlic contains compounds that can enhance blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, which can lead to improved endurance and reduce fatigue during exercise. Studies have shown that athletes who consume garlic supplements or incorporate garlic into their diet can experience an increase in their time to exhaustion during high-intensity exercise. Garlic may also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time after intense workouts. For those looking to optimize their athletic performance, adding garlic to their diet could be a simple and effective solution. Garlic is easy to include in your diet. One of the best things about garlic is how easy it is to incorporate into your daily diet. You don't have to rely on supplements to reap the benefits of this amazing herb. Simply add crushed or chopped garlic to your favorite dishes, such as stir-fries, soups, stews, and sauces. The minimal effective dose for therapeutic effects is 1 clove taken with meals at least twice a day. However, garlic can create foul breath and may not be appropriate for people with FODMAP sensitivities or allergies. But for most people, adding garlic to their diet is a delicious way to boost their health. What's your favorite way to enjoy garlic? As we've seen, garlic is a true powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. From reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels to boosting the immune system and potentially preventing chronic diseases, garlic offers a wide range of advantages. By incorporating this humble herb into your daily diet, you can unlock its full potential and give your body the support it needs to thrive. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to add a few cloves of garlic to your meal. Your body will thank you for it. What's your favorite way of eating garlic? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these incredible health benefits of garlic. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.